Morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of Default School Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I, your Tapas sir, language teacher, today going to teach you a new lesson, that is lesson number 6. It is for standard 3 students. So let's see the lesson. What is there in lesson number 6? Pronouns. Very important lesson, children. Pronouns. We will read today and we will know what is pronoun is about and which are the words called pronouns and why they are used, where they are used. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of a noun. Pronoun we generally use in place of a noun. So it is called the word which is used in place of a noun. That is why they are called pronouns. Now, which are the examples of pronouns? So which are the words we say pronoun? I, he, she, it, you, his, him, her, to, they, them, their, our. These are all pronouns. These are all pronouns. Pronouns are divided into two groups, singular pronoun and plural pronoun. Means we can use for singular noun one pronoun and for plural noun we can use another pronoun. Let's see. Singular pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, me, him, her, his, etc. These are all pronouns used for singular noun. If the noun is one or singular, there we have to use this pronoun I, you, he, she, it, me, him, her, his, etc. If the noun is plural, we can use we, you, they, us, them, our, etc. You can see you is a pronoun used in both singular noun as well as plural noun. Now there is a picture. A woodcutter is returning back to his home. Let's see the sentence, children. Ravi is a woodcutter. Ravi is a noun here. We are talking about Ravi. So let's see the pronoun. He returns to home at 6 p.m. He is a pronoun used in place of noun Ravi. He returns to home at 6 p.m. So instead of repeating Ravi again in the second sentence, he we have written in place of Ravi noun. Being a male or boy or man, we have used he pronoun in place of Ravi noun. Now second picture. Okay, a girl is playing a piano. Let's see the sentence, children. Jyoti is playing piano. Jyoti is a girl playing piano. Okay, pronoun is she loves music very much. She is a pronoun used in place of noun Jyoti because Jyoti is a girl. So we have to use she because she is a pronoun used in place of female noun. Third picture. Okay, one cycle is there. What is the sentence? Father gifted me a bicycle in my birthday. Father gifted me a bicycle in my birthday. Pronoun is it is green in color. As I told you, or you should know, it is a pronoun used for animal, bird or non-living thing. Here bicycle is a non-living thing and bicycle is one, singular. That's why it is used in place of noun bicycle. Next one. Okay, one family is in the park. Let's see the sentence is father, mother, younger brother and I went to fair. Father, mother, younger brother and I, along with you, your parents, your younger brother also went to a fair. Fair means mela. Let's see the pronoun sentence. Okay, we enjoy a lot. Why we use we here? We is used where you along with any other number noun is there. You can use we, means including you. If any other noun is there with you, then we have to use pronoun we in place of those names. We enjoyed a lot, because in this sentence I means you are also there. That's why we have to use pronoun we. Next one, both two children are swimming in the pool. Okay, Piyush and Khushi are swimming in the pool. Piyush and Khushi are swimming in the pool. Let's see the sentence, pronoun sentence. They are good swimmer, because we are talking about plural noun here, Piyush and Khushi. So both names are given, so we have to use they. Next, here one girl or child is talking with her mother. What is the sentence? Mummy said to Rani, you come and help me in the kitchen. Mummy said to Rani. Rani is that girl with whom mummy is talking. So you can use you pronoun in place of Rani now. So you come and help me in the kitchen. As I told you, noun is a pronoun. You is a pronoun which we can use both in male and female sentence. If the noun is male, there also you can use you. If the noun is female, you can use you. Here we are talking about a female, that is Rani. So instead of writing Rani again, I have used pronoun you. You come and help me in the kitchen. Now the exercise portion of this lesson, children. Let's see. Underline the pronoun in this sentence. Means sentences are given, pronoun also is given. First to find out the pronoun and underline it. Varun and Ronit are best friends. They played the violin well. Varun and Ronit are best friends. They play the violin well. They is the pronoun in the second sentence. They. It is underlined. Question number 2. The fireman told us not to enter the building. Here in this sentence, us is the pronoun. Here we have to underline. Us is the pronoun. Question number 3. We can watch TV after finishing lunch. In this sentence, we is the pronoun, so it is underlined. Question number 4. Don't sit on the bench as the paint on it still wet. Don't sit on the bench as the paint on it still wet. So it is the pronoun in this sentence. It is underlined. Now bit number B, match the column to make their sentence. Here, okay, 2 columns are there. Column first one and second one. You have to match it. We can go out to play. First one. Correct answer is the weather is pleasant. We can go out to play. The weather is pleasant. Second one. These psalms are very different. Can you help me solve them? These psalms are very different. Can you help me to solve them? Nadira is an excellent artist. She makes beautiful painting. Nadira is an excellent artist. She makes beautiful painting. This rocking chair is comfortable. This rocking chair is comfortable. You should sit in it. You should sit in it. Correct answer. Children, you can see here number is little bit mistake. After 4 it is 1, 2, 3, 4 again it is written. So that 1 will be 5, 2 will be 6, 3 will be 7, and 4 will be 8. So that one is number 5. The question number 5, my cousin and I are the same age. Correct answer is we study in the same class. Question number 5 answer is we study in the same class. Question number 6, father called Madhav. He asked him to clean his room. Question answer is he asked him to clean his room. Question number 7, Surbhi asked a favor of me. She makes beautiful painting. She makes beautiful painting. Last question, question number 8, I can see my friends in the park. I can see my friends in the park. Answer is, may I join them, mother? May I join them, mother? This is about bit number B, match the column. Now bit number C, circle the correct pronoun in bracket to complete the sentence. Means pronouns are there, options are there. From both options you have to find out the correct option and you have to circle it. I have done some questions for you. Aunt Asa asked us or we to collect the eggs from the coop. Correct answer is us. Aunt Asa asked us to collect the eggs from the coop. He or she was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Woman, we are talking about the ladies, that's why she. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Question number 2. Question number 3, they then sang beautifully in the church choir last Sunday. Correct option will be they. They sang beautifully in the church choir last Sunday. They, it is circled. 4th one, let's keep the party a secret between you and me or we. Correct answer will be me. Let's keep the party a secret between you and me. This is about bit number C. Circle the correct pronoun from given options. Now one more D is there. Rewrite this each sentence using a pronoun in place of underlined word. Means you have to write a pronoun in place of the noun which is underlined in the sentence. First one, father took Shruti and me to the museum. Shruti and me is underlined. The father took us to the museum. Correct pronoun used by changing the noun Shruti and me is father took us to the museum. Us is the pronoun. Second one, the lion chased the deer but could not catch the deer. Answer, the lion chased the deer but could not catch it. We are talking about an animal deer. It is singular, so it is pronoun will be replaced it. The lion chased the deer but could not catch it. Third one, Dinesh and I have a leave for station in 15 minutes. Here noun and one pronoun Dinesh and another pronoun I is underlined. So where I told you where you will be there in the sentence, you have to use pronoun we. So you is I and Dinesh, means I am also there with Dinesh. So we have to leave for the station in 15 minutes. We is the pronoun used in place of noun and Dinesh and I. The teacher, question number 4, the teacher always gives the students a lot of encouragement. Here the students underline, the teacher always gives them a lot of encouragement. The teacher always gives them a lot of encouragement. Them is the pronoun used in place of noun, the students. So this lesson number 6 is over, pronouns, children. Very important lesson for your exam. So you should know what is a pronoun and how it is used or where it is used. So how to use the correct pronoun. If you watch this video repeatedly at home, children, and I am sure whatever examples, whatever explanation I have given regarding this lesson, it will surely help you. So please remember, don't waste time. Watch this video, such video which teachers are sending for you, for your help only. If you will watch it, you can discuss with your parents as well. If you can discuss whatever you are having doubt at home also, you can discuss with your parents. You can show the video to them. Then it will be easy for you to know more about this lesson. So, children, thank you, children, for watching this video, and I am sure you will not waste your time. You will watch it repeatedly, and the exercise which I have given here, and the rest of the part of the exercise also I will give you. But remember, you have to practice at home all the exercises. Then only it will help you to know more about the lesson. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe, children. Till we meet with another such good video. Bye bye and stay well. God bless you.